What we're looking at here is an image from the Hubble Space Telescope of the sunrise arc, which is this long red banana that you can see on the screen right there. And then what's highlighted by that white arrow is the lens star Earendel, which is the most distant star that's been observed so far. So we're seeing this entire galaxy as it was about 13 billion years ago. This particular discovery was thanks to gravitational lensing. So what you can kind of see in the background here with all these sort of yellowish galaxies, those are all galaxies that are part of a galaxy cluster. And this galaxy cluster is a very massive object that actually bends the space-time around it. And as the light from this distant galaxy passes through that distorted space-time, it gets magnified and stretched out into this long arc that we see. Because of exactly where all these galaxies are, there is a peak right here, right on this point, where the magnification starts to skyrocket. So it starts to become an incredibly high magnification just right in that spot, and that's how we're able to see this one star. Original image looks like this. So this is where you can see, all of these sort of fuzzy yellow galaxies around here form a pretty clear cluster. You can still kind of see this faint red arc down here at the bottom. And that was what piqued our interest originally. Anything that's that red is going to be at a very high redshift, which means it's very early in the universe. So that was kind of why we first got interested. You can also see just kind of how long this object is. So this is the longest lensed arc that we've seen at redshift 6 or above. So that's within the first billion years of the universe. And it kind of opens the door to looking at the very first generation of stars. So very first stars would form a few 100 million years, maybe 100 to 300 million years after the Big Bang is kind of that ballpark. So this kind of gives us a foot in that door that gives us a really good chance to continue to discover more of these objects and hopefully push that boundary a little bit further and really get a chance to find one of the very first generation stars.